皆さんこんにちは。Hi everyone!
What are we going to do today?
We're gonna try this!
今日はこれを紹介します。
Emergen-C.
So, Emergen-C is a vitamin C
I
supplement.
can do it.
A lot of people in the US drink Emergen-C when they think they're going to catch a cold, or when they do have a cold, or just to boost their immune system in general. It's a very popular drink in the US. We open the box and can you show us the inside? Yeah, these are packets with vitamin C powder. And can you read the label, Rina?
1000 milligram vitamin C.
What flavor is it?
Tangerine.
It's tangerine flavor. Are you ready to try this?
Yes.
You dissolve this in water. So we have our packet and water
And cup.
and a cup. And we're gonna share one packet. So we empty the contents and now we add a little bit of water. We're splitting in half. Rina, can you put in some water? Maybe about half. Do you want to mix it up with a spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Two
Spoons?
Yeah. 2 spoons.
It's a fizzy drink.
Baby.
Fizzy.
Baby.
Fizzy っていうのはシュワシュワっていうこと。Fizzy. Can you hear the fizz? Can you
Yeah.
hear it? It's like this. こんな感じです。And yeah, you can hear it fizz. シュワシュワって音するよ。
本当だ。
What kind of smell?
Tangerine. Let's try it. Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Does it taste like tangerine?
Yeah. Yes. Kind of.
Is it fizzy or not fizzy?
Kind of.
Kind of. Do you want to drink this all the time?
Yes.
Yes. Does it taste like orange soda?
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you ever had orange soda?
No.
Oh. Does that make any sense?
No.
No. Emergen-C is good for boosting your immune system. Boosting your immune system っていうのは免疫力を高めるっていう意味になります。Boost your immune system.
Boost your immune system.
Yes. So that just means, you'll be more healthy.
More water.
More water, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big, 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 big. More. Mother. いないなくなっちゃって消えちゃって
Rina いなくなっちゃった Rina's gone. She's done with her fizzy drink. So some people drink this when they're going to go on the airplane. You never know what there is at the airport or airplane. So lots of germs. So people drink this to boost their immune system.
Don't forget to drink this when you're sick. Bye. Yummy drink.